All right, in this video, we're going to talk about risers for pop-ups. So sometimes, just a regular pop-up, it's just not enough. You snap it on and you're like, boy, I need to get higher. So we have the answer. We have pop-up emitter risers that gives you 2 inches of lift. Now, what if you need more than 2 inches of lift? You stack them on top of each other like that. There's 4 inches of lift. So again, we'll do a side-by-side comparison. It's just a little too low. A lot of people are telling me this. So we brought in a riser for pop-ups, a pop-up emitter riser. You can clearly see the difference. If you need more than a couple of inches, just go ahead and keep stacking the risers, build them up to your desired height. All right, everybody, I'm going to leave in the description a link to this riser for pop-up emitters, and hopefully this makes your DIY project that much more enjoyable. Until the next video.